Hello, this is Riley from TLC social media team. We're just here in Annapolis from this irrigation install, making sure everything's okay. We have the sprinkler head, all good. This whole zone looks complete. Each flag has one. Yeah. The flags in the ground, and this is all around the back too as well. Complete front and backyard. Yep. Then the valve box, controller, and some more heads all the way around the property, even in here, around the side yard, got some, and then second valve box, more heads, and we come around to the front yard. This whole zone looks intact, good. And then we go over here to the garage. To the controller. Looks all rain sensor up there. Get a better look at it. And now we're good. Whole walkthrough around here, and we're good.